Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable one-handed mode in Google Keyboard. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it and then tap On-Screen Keyboard. Step 4. Now locate the Preferences option. Tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down to locate one-handed mode and tap on it. Unfortunately, this is turned off by default. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select right-handed mode or left-handed mode to enable one-handed mode instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.